नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 की बात करते हैं। 43 में बोल रहा है few values are given in the table in the direction from left to right and top to bottom. Predict the property which could be depicted in the table. तो देखो 152, 186, 231, 244, 262 इस तरफ जाने पे 186 से 99 पहुंच गया और यहाँ पे 152 से 262 पहुंच गया। तो मतलब टॉप टू बॉटम इंक्रीज कर रहा है और लेफ्ट टू राइट डिक्रीज कर रहा है। ऐसी चीज़ कौन सी थी? ऐसी चीज़ थी एटॉमिक रेडियस। तो देखते हैं ऑप्शन में कहाँ पे है। ऑप्शन नंबर सी सही है। एटॉमिक नंबर तो मतलब ये तो एटॉमिक नंबर ही दे रखा है, तो ये तो कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होती एटॉमिक नंबर। ठीक है, आयनेशनल एंथैल्पी नहीं है ये, क्योंकि आयनेशनल एंथैल्पी जो है वो इंक्रीज करते लेफ्ट टू राइट और टॉप टू बॉटम डिक्रीज करता है। एटॉमिक रेडियस सी ठीक है। इलेक्ट्रॉन की एंथैल्पी भी नहीं है। ठीक है, अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो आंसर मिल गया, आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी ठीक है, एटॉमिक रेडियस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 की बात करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 में बोला है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द वेरिएशन ऑफ एटॉमिक रेडियाई इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल इज नॉट ट्रू। इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट एटॉमिक रेडियाई के वेरिएशन के लिए सही नहीं है? फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, इन अ ग्रुप देयर इज कॉन्टिन्यूस इंक्रीज इन साइज विद इंक्रीज इन एटॉमिक नंबर, दिस इज करेक्ट। बी, इन 4f series there is a continuous decrease in size with increase in atomic number, this is also correct. Lanthanide contraction we have studied, okay, or we will study in D block element 12 chapter में. C, the size of inert gases is larger than halogens, obviously this is true. D, in third period the size of atoms increases with increase in atomic number, wrong, because across a period means when we go from left to right, that time the size of atoms decreases due to increase in effective nuclear charge. Though the atomic number increases, but the size of atom decreases across a period. But here it's written increases, so it's wrong. Hence it is the answer because question is asking not correct. Now let's move to next question. Question number 45. Ionic radius in a group while moving down. Option A remains same from top to bottom, wrong. Option B decreases from top to bottom, wrong. Option C increases from top to bottom, yes. So answer is option number C. D, first increases and decreases, it's wrong. क्योंकि ग्रुप में नीचे जाते वक्त इंक्रीज करते हैं टॉप टू बॉटम, क्या इंक्रीज करते हैं? आयनिक रेडियस। तो आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी। 46 क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं। 46 में बोला है K plus and Cl minus ions are isoelectronic, which of the statement is not correct? K plus and Cl minus isoelectronic है, मतलब सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, which one is incorrect, मतलब नॉट करेक्ट पूछा है। तो फर्स्ट है both K plus and Cl minus ions contain 18 electrons, this is correct. Both K plus and Cl minus ions have same configuration, this is correct because the number of electrons are same. C, K plus ion is bigger than Cl minus ion in ionic size, it's wrong because it's a cation, it's an anion, so it should be smaller, whereas here it is written it's bigger, so it's wrong, hence it is the answer because not true, ये not correct पूछा है, so C is the answer. Let's discuss option number D. Cl minus ion is bigger than K plus ion in size, yes, Cl minus ion is bigger because it's an anion and it's a cation, so answer is option number C because it's not correct. Question number 47. Which one of the following groups represents a collection of isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species are those species which have same number of electrons. Option A, Na plus, Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2. Na plus means 10 electron, Ca plus 2 means 18 electron, Mg plus 2 means 10 electron. So this is not isoelectronic group. Option B, N3 minus 10 electron, F minus contains 10 electron, Na plus contains 10 electron. So this is isoelectronic. So isoelectronic species is in group in the option number B. So option number B is our answer. So we will not check C and D because obviously we know this much that this is they are not isoelectronic, or you can calculate it yourself. Question number 48. Which of the following transitions will involve maximum amount of energy? Okay, so if a species is already positively charged, removing an electron from the already positive charged ion is difficult, and hence we need to supply a maximum or large amount of energy in the option where the positive charge will be maximum on the element. So let's see, it's M. If we will remove electron from here, then we see it's a neutral, and then it has +1 charge. In option number B, it had minus charge, matlab it had already electron, and then we took out electron from it, two electron. We took out 2 electron from it, and it became M plus. Okay, so it is okay because we are removing from a negatively charged ion. C, M plus 2 gives M plus 3 plus electron. It is not it's difficult to remove electron from a species which is already having +2 charge, because it has already means 2 electrons are already removed from the species, hence +2 charge came here. So it's difficult to remove the next or to remove the third electron. It's very difficult, so we have to supply here maximum amount of energy as the ionization energy to remove the third electron from here. So this C option will require the maximum amount of energy. Answer is option number C. So you can see D, B and A are not the answer. Option number 49. What is the order of successive ionization enthalpies? Obviously we should all know this, that while we move on and keep on moving electrons, so the successive or the further ionization enthalpies are always greater than the previous ones. So the third ionization will always be greater than the second, and the second ionization enthalpy will always be greater than the first ionization enthalpies. This is because removing electron first time is feasible generally, but while removing the electron second time and third, while removing the second electron or the third electron or the further more electrons, it becomes tough, because due to the increased positive charge of the atom due to the number of protons present. So as we move on, then the successive ionization enthalpies are always greater than the previous one. So IE3 greater than IE2 greater than IE1. Obviously option number 1 is the answer. We don't need to see option number C, B and D to waste our time. So I hope you can understand option A is the correct answer. Question number 50. Which group of elements shows lowest ionization enthalpy? Lowest ionization enthalpy means the atom can easily give the electron, and hence we need to supply less energy to remove the electron, and less energy supplied means lowest ionization enthalpy. So we have to find such an element which can readily give its electron, which can readily lose its electron. Option alkali metal is the answer, because alkali metal are the first group elements and they can easily give their electron. So option A is the answer. Still we see option number B, alkaline earth metals, because the question is asking lowest, hence we will go for option A and not for B. C, halogens, no, because halogens are very electronegative elements, so they don't give their electrons steadily, so their ionization enthalpy will be highest and not the lowest. D, noble gases, no, actually noble gases have a stable configuration due to which they are not interested to lose their electrons, and hence they don't have the lowest ionization enthalpy, and it's very difficult to remove the electron from them. Whereas in the alkali metals, it is the easiest to remove the electrons, okay, because they will become stable after losing one electron, and hence they have the lowest ionization enthalpy. The answer is option number A. Question number 51. The first ionization enthalpy of the elements CN, P, Si are in the order of. So obviously we know while going down in a group the ionization enthalpy decreases. So in the 14th period if you will see, and in the 15th period if you will see, then we know that the carbon and silicon comes in the 14th period and the nitrogen and phosphorus comes in the 15th period. Okay, and among that that also if we see the 14th period first, then the among the carbon and silicon, the silicon have the lowest ionization enthalpy, because it's easy to because down the group the ionization enthalpy decreases. So let's see the option where the ionization enthalpy of Si is shown less than C. So it is either option number D or B. So A and C is cancelled. So only B or D, one of them is correct. And now let's see between N and P. So N and P, between N and P, we know that the ionization enthalpy of P is less, because along the group, because phosphorus comes below nitrogen in the group, and down the group the ionization enthalpy decreases. So the ionization enthalpy of P is less than N. It's shown only in option number D. So we can tell it that option number D can be the answer, right? Wait a minute, I was wrong. Actually, C option and D option, one of them can be correct, and B. Sorry. That time I didn't see C option carefully. So C, B or D, these three can be correct, and this is eliminated. Okay. So if I see here, then the B, D and C are matching with my statements. So the last trick, or sorry, the last statement is to verify the correct option is that group 14 and group 15, among group 14 and 15, the group 14 will have the lowest ionization and lower ionization enthalpy than group 15, because across a period we know that the ionization enthalpy increases across a period. So the group 15's ionization enthalpy will be higher than the group 14's. So the N and P1 will come before Si and C1. So this thing is shown in which option? This is shown in wait a minute, let me discuss this question once again. The first ionization enthalpy of the electron C and P, Si are in the order of. So obviously I know that carbon will have lower ionization enthalpy than nitrogen. Okay, so this is shown in option number A and option number C, and not in option number B or D. And we also know that the silicon will have lower ionization enthalpy than phosphorus. It's shown in A and C both. And now out of this we can see that as silicon and phosphorus are third period elements, and nitrogen and carbon are second period elements. So we know that the ionization enthalpy of second period is higher than the third period. So therefore the C and N will be placed before Si and P, and hence our answer goes option number C. So 51 का C is correct. So actually I am feeling a bit sleepy, that's why I was a little bit confused in question 51. So I hope you can manage with this. Till now it's means I'm tired, so it's okay till here. Next of the questions I will tell in the coming videos.